Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out of High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be on a VGT machine, Lucky Ducky. We got $100 loaded in. We're going to start on $3 bets. See if we can get some red spins. See if we can get them ducks to come out today. Three of those ducks on the line pay $10,000. That sure would make for a good day's work. Come on, Ducky. He's being stubborn so far. Almost got a hit there. Play this down to 60, guys. If we don't get anything, we're gonna have to get off of it. Last spin. I think, oh, we got the ducks, guys. 43 on that one. That's 60 so far. Add them up, 60 bucks. Good deal, guys. I was about to get off too. Puts us up 21 bucks. Let's do some backups. Oh, $15 hit there. Maybe it's waking up. It's coming alive. Almost. Do one more spin, guys. Ooh, and it hit. We gotta do some more. Come on, Ducky. We'll do one more. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. We're going to leave with a $15 profit today. Thank you so much, Lucky Ducky. I'll see you soon.